आज आपण दिलेल्या वर्ग समीकरणाचे मूळ काढण्यासाठी अवयव पद्धतीचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. We have to learn today to find a root or to find solution of given quadratic equation by using factorization method. Solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. Factorization method is the simple and easiest method to find the root of given quadratic equation. To use factorization method to find the root of the given quadratic equation. First, you understand the steps to find the root of quadratic equation by using factorization method. In a quadratic equation contain three terms: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square is a square term, bx is a middle term, and c is a constant term. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard or general form of the quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation contain three terms: ax square is a square term, bx is a middle term, and c is a constant term. पहा, दिलेल्या वर्ग समीकरणाचे सामान्य रूप ax स्क्वेअर प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. या क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये तीन टर्म्स आहेत, तीन पद आहेत. एक्स स्क्वेअर इज अ स्क्वेअर टर्म, याला वर्गपद म्हणतात. bx इज अ मिडल टर्म, bx ला मध्यम पद म्हणतात. आणि c इज अ कॉन्स्टंट टर्म, c ला स्थिर पद असे म्हणतात. Step to find roots of quadratic equation by using factorization method. First step is a splitting of middle terms. First point in a splitting of middle term, how to split the middle term bx. If the product of a and c is equal to plus ac, जर a आणि c चा गुणाकार जर प्लस ac असेल, then we have to choose two factors of ac whose sum is equal to b. मग a आणि c यांचा गुणाकार पॉझिटिव्ह असेल तर b चे असे फॅक्टर पाडा ज्यांचा गुणाकार प्लस ac असेल. Example, we have to consider x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. In this quadratic equation, the value of a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 6. Then the product ac is equal to 1 into 6 is a 6. To find the factor of 6 such that product is a plus 6 and sum is plus 5. Therefore, the factors of plus 6 is a 2, 3 is 6, one factor is a plus 2 and other factor is plus 3. And we have to choose two factors 2 and 3 whose sum is equal to b, that is 5. Therefore, b is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. पहा, दिलेल्या अशा वर्ग समीकरणामध्ये a ची किंमत 1 आहे, b ची किंमत 6, c ची किंमत 6 आहे. या दोघांचा गुणाकार ac बरोबर 6 येतो. प्लस 6 चे असे अवयव पाडा, गुणाकार प्लस 6 आला पाहिजे आणि त्या दोन फॅक्टरची बेरीज मध्यम पदाचा सहगुणक b म्हणजे 5 एवढी आली पाहिजे. 2 3 is 6, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Second way, if the product of a and c is equal to minus ac. आता a आणि c यांचा गुणाकार जर निगेटिव्ह नंबर असेल तर then we have to choose two factors of AC whose difference is equal to B. आणि जर A आणि C चा गुणाकार निगेटिव्ह नंबर असेल तर फॅक्टर्स पाडताना त्यांच्यामधला फरक किंवा वजाबाकी ही मध्यम पदाचा सहगुणक B एवढी असली पाहिजे. Example, 2x square plus 9x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 5. Then the product AC is equal to 2 into minus 5. One number is positive, other is negative. Their product is negative number. 5 to the 10 minus 5, here is a minus 10. The product of AC is the minus 10, is a negative number. When to find the factor of minus 10 such that their product is minus 10 and difference is a plus 9. Minus 1 and 10 are two factors of minus 10. Then B is equal to minus 1 plus 10 is equal to plus 9. या वर्ग समीकरणामध्ये A ची किंमत 2 आहे, C ची किंमत -5 आहे. 2 आणि -5 यांचा गुणाकार -10 येतो. -10 चे असे अवयव पाडा आपला गुणाकार -10 आला पाहिजे आणि त्या दोन अवयवामधला फरक हा +9 आला पाहिजे. मिडल टर्म इज अ पॉझिटिव्ह 9 आहे. Greater factor is a positive, small factor is a negative, then you get +9. -1 plus 10 is equal to +9. In this way, the first step to find the root of given quadratic equation by factorization method is the splitting of middle terms. To use factorization method to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Second step, let the factors of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to consider dx plus e and fx plus g. There are two factors of ax square plus bx plus c. Then equating 0 of each factors. समजा ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. या वर्ग समीकरणाचे हे दोन फॅक्टर्स आहेत, dx plus e आणि fx plus g. या प्रत्येक फॅक्टरसाठी 0 इक्वेट करतात. इक्वेटिंग 0 of each factors, dx plus e multiply fx plus g is equal to 0. At least one of them must be 0. या दोन कंसाचा गुणाकार 0 येतो म्हणजे कोणत्या तरी एका कंसाची किंमत 0 असते, म्हणून या दोन कंसाचा गुणाकार 0 येतो. dx plus e is equal to 0 or fx plus g is equal to 0. Then we get this plus e goes on the RHS side, then we get minus dx is equal to minus e, and fx plus g is equal to 0 plus g goes on the RHS side, then we get minus. Hence the value of x is equal to minus e upon d and x is equal to minus g upon f. These are the factors of given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We see one example to find the factor of x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here, first to find the product of AC. A into C, 1 into 6 is equal to 6. To find the factor of 6, product is a plus 6 and addition is a plus 5. 2 3s are 6, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then we can write the solution of this quadratic equation to find the factors or roots. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Middle term is a 5x. To split into the factor 2 and 3, x square plus 5x split into two terms, 2x plus 3x plus 6. X is a variable. Take in each terms after splitting the 5x. x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. या समीकरणाचे रूट फाइंड आउट करताना +6 चे आपण असे अवयव पाडलेले आहेत, गुणाकार +6 येतो आणि बेरीज +5 येते. 2 × 3 2 + 3 = 5 आणि 5x हा दोन टर्म मध्ये 2x + 3x यामध्ये स्प्लिट होईल. प्रत्येक पदामध्ये x व्हेरिएबल घ्यायचा आहे. x² + 2x + 3x + 6 = 0. When to determine the two groups of this equation, x² + 2x is the first group and 3x + 6 is the second group. Take the common from first group. x² + 2x is a x take common, remaining terms in the bracket x + 2. Second group 3x + 6, 3 take common, in bracket x + 2 is equal to 0. येथे x² + 2x यांचा एक गट तयार करा. 3x + 6 यांचा एक गट तयार करा. पहिल्या गटामध्ये x² + 2x आहे. या दोन्ही पदामधून x कॉमन निघेल, x in bracket x + 2. दुसऱ्या गटामध्ये 3x + 6 मध्ये प्रत्येक पदामध्ये 3 कॉमन निघतील, कारण 3 हा 6 चा मल्टिपल फॅक्टर आहे. म्हणजे 3 in bracket x + 2 is equal to 0. In this step, the x + 2 and x + 2 both group contain the same part. x + 2 x + 2 take common. इथे दोन्ही पदामध्ये x + 2 आणि x + 2 सारखा आहे, म्हणून तो कॉमन घेऊया. Therefore x + 2 remaining bracket contain this x + 3 is equal to 0. 2 bracket of multiplication is 0, at least 1 becomes 0, hence equating the 0 of every bracket. X + 2 is equal to 0 and x + 3 is equal to 0. येथे x + 2 आणि x + 3 या दोन कंसाचा गुणाकार 0 येतो, म्हणून कमीत कमी एका कंसाची किंमत 0 असली पाहिजे, म्हणून दोन्ही कंसाला 0 इक्वेट करतात. x + 2 is equal to 0 and x + 3 is equal to 0. To find the value of x in a first, x + 2 is equal to 0 plus 2 goes on the RHS side, then you get minus. X is equal to -2 and x is equal to -3. Hence, the roots of equation x² + 5x + 6 is equal to 0 are -2 and -3. In this way, to find the roots of given quadratic equation by using factorization method. अशा पद्धतीने फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडने दिलेल्या वर्ग समीकरणाचे मूळ काढतात किंवा उकल शोधतात. Second problem, to find the factor by using factorization methods, or to find roots or solution of the given quadratic equation. Second problem, x² - 3x - 10 is equal to 0. Here given quadratic equation x² - 3x - 10 is equal to 0. Here the a is equal to 1 and c is equal to -10. The product of 1 into -10 is equal to -10. To find the factor of -10 such that product is a -10 and difference is of the middle coefficient is a -3. Here the middle term has negative, then greater factor is a negative and small factor is a positive. Their difference is -3. Here 2 - 5 is equal to -3. -10 चे अवयव पाडताना मध्यम पदाचं चिन्ह विचारात घ्या. -10 हा AC चा गुणाकार आलेला आहे. -10 चे फॅक्टर्स पाडताना डिफरन्स हा -3 आला पाहिजे, म्हणून मोठा फॅक्टर निगेटिव्ह घ्या, स्मॉल फॅक्टर पॉझिटिव्ह घ्या. दोघांचा डिफरन्स 2 - 5 is equal to -3 येईल. -3x split into x² + 2x - 5x - 10 is equal to 0. वजा 3x च्या ऐवजी +2x आणि -5x जे आपण फॅक्टर पाडलेले आहेत ते x व्हेरिएबल सोबत घ्या. x² + 2x - 5x - 10 is equal to 0. There are two groups. First group is a x square plus 2x and second group is a minus 5x minus 10. In a first group, take x common. Here x take common, in a bracket x plus 2. In a second group, take minus 5 is the common. 10 is a multiple factor of 5. Is a 5 take common from 5x and minus 10. Minus 5 in bracket x. This minus 5 and minus of 10, then you get plus. Minus minus plus in bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. In this equation x plus 2, x plus 2, both term contain same bracket. Take again common x plus 2. Remaining bracket contain x minus 5 is equal to 0. Product of these two bracket is 0, equating every terms. X plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here plus 2 goes on the next side, then we get minus. X is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 5. Therefore, hence the root of given equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0 are minus 2 and 5. This is the roots of the given quadratic equation by using factorization method. Write down. Problem number 3. 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. In this quadratic equation, the value of a is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 6. Then the product of a and c, 2 into minus 6 is equal to minus 12. To find the factor of minus 12 such that product is a minus 12 and difference is the middle term has coefficient plus 1. Difference is a plus 1. Here the factors of minus 12 is a 4 into minus 3. Middle term has a positive sign, therefore greater factor is take positive and smaller factor is take negative. Hence 4 minus 3, their difference is a plus 1. The middle term plus x split into plus 4x minus 3x. Hence therefore 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. There are two groups. First group is a 2x square plus 4x and second group is a minus 3x minus 6. In a first group, 2 take common. 4 is a multiple factor of 2. Therefore, 2 take common. Also, x square and x take x common. 2x take common. Then we get remaining bracket x plus 2. In second group, 3 take common. Minus 3 take common. Here a minus 3 in bracket x. This minus minus plus minus 3 in bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 again take common. Remaining 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Equating 0 in every bracket, x plus 2 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here plus 2 goes on this side, we get minus x is equal to minus 2. Here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, minus 3 goes on the next side, then we get 2x is equal to 3. And this 2 is a multiple of x, goes on the RHS side, then we get divide x is equal to 3 by 2. Hence, therefore, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 3 by 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Hence, the root of equation 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0 are minus 2 and 3 by 2. Write down. To find the factor of quadratic equation m square minus 14m minus 13 is equal to 0 by using factorization method. Here is a plus sign. M square minus 14m minus 13 is equal to 0. Given quadratic equation m square minus 14m minus 13 plus 13 is equal to 0. या क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये m स्क्वेअर मायनस 14m इथे प्लस 13 घ्या, प्लस 13 इज इक्वल टू 0. Here the value of a is equal to 1 and c is equal to plus 13. Their product is 1 into 13 is equal to 13. Here to find the factor of plus 13, their sum is middle term is a minus 14. Coefficient of middle terms minus 14. येथे a ची किंमत 1 आहे आणि c ची किंमत 13 आहे. या दोघांचा गुणाकार प्लस 13 येतो. मग प्लस 13 चे असे अवयव पाडा, गुणाकार प्लस 13 येईल आणि त्या दोन फॅक्टरची बेरीज मध्यम पदाचा सहगुणक मायनस 14 येईल. मग प्लस 13 factor is minus 1 and minus 13. Their product minus 1 into minus 13 is a plus 13 and their sum minus 1 minus 13 is equal to minus 14. येथे पहा प्लस 13 चे अवयव पाडताना गुणाकार प्लस 13 आला पाहिजे. इथे दोन्ही संख्या मायनस 1 आणि मायनस 13 आहेत. या दोघांचा गुणाकार मायनस मायनस प्लस होतो प्लस 13 आणि दोन्ही संख्येला चिन्ह सारखी आहेत म्हणून त्यांची बेरीज होते. minus 1 minus 13 is equal to minus 14. This minus 14m split into minus 1m minus 13m. Therefore, m square minus 1m minus 13m plus 13 is equal to 0. There are two groups in this equation, m square minus 1m and second group is a minus 13m plus 13. In a first group, take m common, m in bracket m minus 1. In a second group, take minus 13 common. Minus 13 take common in bracket m minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, in this equation, m minus 1, m minus 1, both terms contain the same part. Take common m minus 1. Remaining bracket contain this m minus 13 is equal to 0. Equating 0 to every bracket, m minus 1 is equal to 0. And m minus 13 is equal to 0. Then we get minus 1 goes on the RHS side, then we get 1, m is equal to 1 and m is equal to 13. Hence, the roots of equation m square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0 are 1 and 13. Are you understand? Write down. इथे या बॉक्स मध्ये इथे -6 + 5 = -1 लिहा. इथे 4 - 3 = 1 प्रिंट मिस्टेक झालेली आहे. राइट डाउन. Problem number 6, 3y square is equal to 15y. Given equation is a 3y square is equal to 15y. This equation write in a standard form of the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here this plus 15y goes on LHS side, then we get minus 3y square minus 15y is equal to 0. On LHS side, 3 and y square, next term minus 15y. Here 3 take common. 15 is a multiple factor of 3. 3 take common. Here y square and here is a y. 1y take common. Hence, on LHS side, 3y take common. In bracket, y minus 3 5 is 15 is equal to 0. Hence, 3y and y minus 5 is equal to 0. Equating the 0 in each terms, 3y is equal to 0 and y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here this 3 goes on the RHS side, divide 3, y is equal to 0 upon 3. Here minus 5 goes on RHS side, then we get plus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 0 upon 3, it is a 0. 0 upon 3 is a 0, y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5. Means the root of equation 3y square is equal to 15y are 0 and 5. These are the root of the given equation. Write down. अशा प्रकारची जी समीकरण आहे, प्रथम दिलेलं इक्वेशन स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये रूपांतरित करून घ्या. हा 15y आहे, तो LHS साईडला घ्या, -15y होईल. 3y स्क्वेअर -15y या दोन्ही पदामध्ये 3 कॉमन आणि y कॉमन निघतो, म्हणून 3y टेक कॉमन, y - 5 इज इक्वल टू 0. इथे 3y इक्वेट 0 and y - 5 इज ऑल्सो इक्वेट 0. हा 3 मल्टिप्लाय y आहे, 3 RHS साईडला घ्या, डिवाइड होईल, y इज इक्वल टू 0/3 म्हणजेच y ची किंमत 0 अँड -5 पुढे घ्या, प्लस होईल, y इज इक्वल टू 5. Hence the root of equation are 0 and 5. Problem number 7, x square is equal to 3. First, given equation write in a standard form. X square is equal to 3 plus 3 goes on the LHS side. Then we get x square minus 3 is equal to 0. By using the expansion formula, a square minus b square is equal to, in a first bracket a minus b and second bracket contain a plus b. Here x square minus this 3 is a not perfect square number. Take in a square root 3. Therefore, square root 3 square is the 3. This 3 rewrite in this form, root 3 bracket square is equal to 0. Then we get a square minus b square. The value of a is equal to x and b is equal to root 3. By using this expansion formula, x square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Here a is equal to x, b is equal to root 3. We can write x minus root 3 in a first bracket and x plus root 3 in a second bracket is equal to 0. Hence, equating 0 in each bracket, x minus root 3 is equal to 0 and x plus root 3 is equal to 0. To find the value of x minus root 3, goes on RHS side, then we get plus root 3. X is equal to plus root 3. And x plus root 3 is equal to 0, plus root 3 goes on RHS side, then we get minus, x is equal to minus root 3. Hence, the root of equation x square is equal to 3 are root 3 and minus root 3. These are the roots of given equation. Okay. Write down for homework. First problem for homework. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization. X square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. Second, x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. Third, 2y square plus 20y plus 13 is equal to 0. Number 4, 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. Number 5, 7m square is equal to 21m. And last one for homework, m square minus 11 is equal to 0. Write down problem for your homework, today's homework. Write down.